exercise 5.3, fourth question is how many terms of the AP arithmetic progression the given sequence 9 comma 17 comma 25 and so on must be taken to give 636. So if you add those terms, the sum must be 636. So how many terms will exist? First of all, given sequence 9 comma 17 comma 25 comma and so on. Here the first term A is 9 and the common difference D is A2 minus A1, that means 17 minus 9, it gives you 8. So D is equal to 8 here. Now sum of n terms is given, that is 636. We know that the formula for Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d here. So Sn is nothing but 636, that is equal to n by 2 into, we have to find n, 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. We have to simplify it. First of all, here 636 is equal to n by 2 into, you can take a 2 as the common, then 9 plus, here if you take 2, n minus 1 into 4, 2 4s are 8, so 2 cancel. Here 636 is equal to n into 9 plus 4 into n, 4n minus 4 into 1 minus 4. 636 is equal to n into 9 minus 4 gives you 5 plus 4n. If you multiply, 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n squared. 5n plus 4n squared. Here, if you transfer 636 to the other side, becomes 4n squared plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Here, if you multiply 636 into n square coefficient 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25. So we have to split it as the 53 into 48, 53 into 48. If you put a negative to the small number, then you will get a negative here. So 4n squared plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now here, if you take 4 common, n 4n, if you take 4n common, here n square plus 53, sorry, n plus 53. Here if you take minus 12 common, 4n minus 53. If you take minus, it will be plus. That is equal to 0. Now here n plus 53 is the common term. Sorry, wait a minute here. Here only n is a common. So if you take n common, 4n plus 53, and if you take minus 12 as a common, here also 4n plus 53, that is equal to 0. So here 4n plus 53 is the common term. 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So here both are factors. So first term, for first 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 one time, and n minus 12 is equal to 0 one time. So here when 4n plus 53 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus 53 by 4. When n minus 12 is equal to 0, n is equal to plus 12. So n negative number is not possible, positive only possible. So number of terms is equal to 12. That's it. The question is the first term of AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference here. So solution, first of all, given that A is equal to 5 and the last term L is equal to 45. Here clearly we know that sum of n terms when first term and last term is given n by 2 into A plus L. Here Sn also is given, that is Sn is equal to 400. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. So here 2 ones are 225. N is equal to 400 by 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 0 8 is 5 1s are 5 1s are 5. Here 3 remains 30. 5 6 are 30. So n is equal to 16 here. So here number of terms we found. Now common difference. Given that A16 is equal to the last term is 45. So here the general form is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 45. A is 5 plus n minus 1. N is 16 minus 1 into D we have to find here, that is equal to 45. So 15D is equal to 45 minus 5. So 15D is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 by 15. So here 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. So D is equal to 8 by 3. This is the common difference and this is the number of terms. That's it. The sixth question is the first and last terms of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Here, given that A is equal to 17, this is the first term, and the last term L is equal to, that means AN is equal to 350. This is the last term here. If the common difference is 9, that means D is given 9. We have to find first of all N. Here we know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is given that 350, that is equal to, here A is 17 plus we have to find n here, that's why n minus 1 into D is 9. 350, if you transfer 17 to the LHS side, becomes a minus 17, that is equal to n minus 1 into 9. 350 minus 17. If you subtract 10 minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, and 3 remains. 333, that is equal to n minus 1 into 9. So n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 3s are 27. Here 6 remains 6, 363. 9 7s are 63. So n minus 1 is equal to 37. N is equal to 37 plus 1. N is equal to 38. So this is the n value. So how many terms exist? Number of terms is equal to 38. So what is this sum? He are asking Sn. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into, here we can use 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or the both last and first terms are given, that's why we use a plus l here. So Sn is equal to n by 2, that means 38 by 2 into, here a is 17 plus the last term l is 350. Sn is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 18, 2 9s are 18. So 90 into 17 plus 350, it gives you 367. Sn is equal to, if you multiply 367 into 90, 9 7s are 63, 9 6s are 54, 54 plus 6, 60, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 6, 33, 7, 6, 3. If you add 3, 7, 9, 6. So the sum of terms are 6973. That's it. The seventh question is find the sum of first 22 terms of AP in which D is equal to 7 and the 22nd term is 149. Here given that n is equal to 22, so number of terms are 22 terms, and D is equal to 7. These are given. D is equal to 7, and also 22nd term, that means A22 or L, that is equal to 149. So these three terms are the given. So first of all, here we have to find first term, that is A. We know that the general form of An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term in arithmetic progression. So here A22, that means A22, that means A plus 22 minus 1 into D is equal to 149 here. Here A plus 22 minus 1 into D is nothing but 7, that is equal to 149. A plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7 is equal to 149. A plus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 147 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147, that gives you 2. So this is the value of A. Now we can easily find out the sum of 22 terms. Here sum of n terms formula is when first term and the last term we know n by 2 into A plus L. So here Sn is equal to n by 2, that means S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into A is 2 plus L is last term 149, that is equal to 1s are 2 11s, 11 into 22 plus 149 gives you 151. So 151 into 11, it gives you 1661. So 1661. That is the sum of 22 terms for the given sequence. That's it. Question is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Here given n is equal to 51 and second term A2 is equal to 14. That means here A plus n minus 1 into, that means 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 14. A plus 2 minus 1 gives you 1. 1 into D. So A plus D is equal to 14. This is equation number 1. And also given that A3 third term is 18. So A3 can be written as the A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 18. A plus 3 minus 1 gives you 2D is equal to 18. Let it be a equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. Then A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 2D is equal to 80. If you subtract, the symbols will be changed here. Plus a minus a cancel. D minus 2d gives you minus b, that is equal to 14 minus 18 gives you minus 4. 4 cancel, d is equal to 4. Here the common difference is 4. The common difference is 4. Now substitute value of d in equation 1. Substitute value of d in equation 1. Then you get value of a. So a plus d is equal to 14. Here d is 4. That is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 minus 4. A is equal to 10. This is the value of a. Now we can easily find out sum of 51 terms. So here we know that sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find out the sum of 51 terms, that means 51 by 2. So here 2 into a is 10 plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1 into d is common difference is 4. 51 by 2 into 2 times 20 plus 51 minus 1 gives you 50. 50 into 4. 5 4s are 20. So that means 200. That is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. 220. 2 1s are 2 1/10. So 51 into 110. If you multiply with 11, then 51, 51. 165. So here 0 is there. So 5610. This is the sum of 51 terms of the given sequence. That's it. The ninth one is if the sum of first 7 terms in A3 is 49 and that 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms here. So here given that sum of first 7 terms, that means S7 is equal to 49. We can write S7 as a 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. That means 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. 7 by 2 into 2a plus it can be written as the 7 minus 1, 6. 6b is equal to 49. Here, if you take a common, 7 by 2 into, I am taking 2 as a common, a plus 3d is equal to 49, 2 cancel, a plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7, 7 1s are 7 7 49, so a plus 3d is equal to 7, this is equation number 1, and secondly given that the 17th term, that means S17 is equal to 289. So it is also can be written as 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 289. Here 17 by 2 into, if you take 2 as the common, then a plus here 17 minus 1 gives you 16. So I am taking a 2 as the common, that means here 8 remains, 8d is equal to 289. Here 2 cancel, a plus 8d is equal to 289 by 17. Here 17 1s are 17, here also 17 1s are 17. If you subtract 17 from the 28, you will get only 1, 11. So 119. So 119, 17, 7s are 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4. So 17 7s. So a plus 8d is equal equal to 17. It will be a equation number 2. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. Then a plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 8d is equal to 17. If you subtract, the symbols will be changed here. Plus a minus a cancel. 3d minus 8d gives you minus 5d. 7 minus 17 gives you minus 10. Minus minus cancel. D is equal to 10 by 2 to 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Then d is equal to 2 here. Now substitute d value in equation 1. Substitute d value in equation 1. Then you get a plus 3 into d. That means 2 is equal to 7. A plus 2 3 is 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. Then a is equal to 1. This is the value of a. Now we have to find sum of n terms here. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into here a is a 1. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into here d is 2. If you take 2 common, n by 2 into 2. Here 1 remains plus n minus 1 into 1. 2 cancel, n into here 1 plus 1 into n 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n into n, that is equal to n square. That is the answer. Here 10th question is show that a1 comma a2 comma and so on an forms an AP where an is defined as the first question an is equal to 3 plus a 4n and the second question an is equal to 9 minus a 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case here. So first of all, if you take first question, given an is equal to 3 plus 4n. The first term a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. It gives you 3 plus 4 ones are 4, that is equal to 7. And a2 second term 3 plus 4 into 2. So 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 gives you 11. And now third term a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. So 3 plus 12, that is equal to 15. So here the sequence is 7 comma 11 comma 15 and so on. Here first term a is equal to 7 and the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 11 minus 7, it gives you 4. This is the common difference. Now S15, we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. So S15 is equal to n by 2, that means 15 by 2 into 2a. 2 into here a is 7 plus n minus 1 into, that means 15 minus 1 into d is a common difference 4. So if you find out here 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 15 minus 1 gives you 14 into 4. That is equal to 15 by 2 into 15 plus 14 4s are 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 56. So 15 by 2 into 56 plus 14 gives you 70. Now 2 1s are 2 35s, that is equal to 15 into 35. So 15 5s are 75. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 52. So this is the sum of the 15 terms for the given sequence. Now second question is given an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So here if first of all A1 first term, that is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. So 9 minus 5 1 is 5, that is equal to 4. Now second term, A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. So 9 minus 5 2 is 10, that is equal to minus 1. Now A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 minus 5 3 is 15. So 9 minus 15 gives you 6, minus 6 here. So here the sequence is 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6. Here the first term A is a 4 and the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is a minus 4 and A1 is a minus of plus 4, that gives you minus 5. This is the common difference. So D is equal to minus 5 here. Now we have to find S15 here. S15 is equal to, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 15 by 2 into 2a, 2 into a. Here a is 4 plus n minus 1 into 15 minus 1 into d. D is minus 5. So if you calculate 15 by 2 into 2 4s are 8 plus 15 minus 1 gives you 14 into minus 5, that is equal to 15 by 2 into 8. Here 14 5s are 70 plus or minus minus 70. 15 by 2 into, if you subtract you will get minus 62 here. 2 1s are 2 31s. So 15 into minus 31. So if you multiply 15 1s are 15, 53 is 45 plus 1 46. So minus 46. This is the sum of 15 terms for the second sequence. That's it.